Okay guys, I want to go over a quick tutorial on some things you need to be doing with all of your videos 100,000% of the time. So this is the process for what you need to be doing. First off, you need to have a YouTube channel and upload to it regularly. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and is owned by Google. It is a great way for you to get found, and it is a fantastic way for you to share informational videos. So all you have to do to upload a video to YouTube is go to your channel and hit the create button. From here, you'll be given two options, either upload a video or go live. What you are going to select is upload video because you've already pre-recorded a video. What I'm doing is showing you the pre-recorded video that I did yesterday, and then I am putting it on our YouTube channel. And then I'm going to do a couple other things with it that you need to be doing as well. So we're going to select the video. And then we're going to say how to grow your LinkedIn audience every day on autopilot. Okay? Then you need to write a description of the video. So what we're going to say is, in this video, we show you how to use a Chrome plugin to automate the tasks of growing your LinkedIn audience the right way. For more, please visit us at, then put your website. And then you're going to put any links to groups or any special offers that you have. A lot of you are missing out on this very important digital real estate. This is yet another way that you can even put affiliate links in to optimize your content. Now here's the rub though. You need to know what tags to use. Well, of course I have a tool for that too. What you're going to do is you're going to copy your video title, and you're going to go over here to a tool called Rapid Tags, and you're going to plug that in. And you're going to search, and it's actually going to give you the absolute best tags to utilize to get your video found on LinkedIn a little bit more frequently. So now you've got your tags here. And then you're going to create a short message so that you can post this same video on your Google Plus and your Twitter. The reason for Google Plus is it does help with SEO. Now, third and last thing with YouTube. You need to make sure that you have different playlists so that your things are organized appropriately. So we're going to put this in LinkedIn tips because that's what makes sense for this. Now after this, you have to wait until your video is processing and then hit publish. What you don't want to do is share that directly on Facebook. I'm going to show you what you do next. Once your video is published on YouTube, there are a few places you can share it, but again, I cannot stress enough, do not share it on Facebook, because Facebook does not like YouTube videos. So where you want to put this is on Digg. Which is a social bookmarking site. Then you also want to share it on StumbleUpon, another social bookmarking site. And if you don't have accounts for these, you will have to create them. Or you can just hit the Connect with Facebook button. Mark that it's safe for work. Select a couple interests. We're going to say marketing. Then we're going to put LinkedIn as a tag. And save it. Obviously, you'll have to change your tags for whatever's relevant for you. The next place we're going to put it is on LinkedIn. And then what we're going to do is make sure that we put the link in here because the video doesn't always translate well on LinkedIn. And that's going to take people back to your YouTube channel, which is great. You can also post to groups and send to individuals. We're just going to share it in our feed right now. We're also going to put it on our Tumblr. If you don't have a Tumblr, you probably need one. It's a smart thing to do. Put a tag in there, post it. And we're also going to put it on our Pinterest. The other thing we're going to do is put it on a Pinterest group board. That's a little Pinterest tip where you can actually have group boards that get shared and get more exposure to other people. It will take them back to your YouTube channel as well. So now you've finished sharing what you want to share on YouTube. Next thing you're going to do is actually upload the same video to Facebook to make Facebook like it a little bit more. But there's a couple other steps you're going to need to do as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this on our Social Savvy Agent page. By the way, guys, if your Facebook inbox does not look like this, you're doing Facebook wrong. So I highly encourage you to listen to what we're saying in the group, because your inbox can look like this too, as well as your notifications. So if you're not getting these types of things, this is very, very, very important that you actually start, listening and implementing to what we're doing, because I'm telling you it works. There's a social proof that it works. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload your video. You're going to find your video like so. And then from here, you're going to write a title. Okay, this is different than what you're going to say here. The next thing you're going to do is add some tags. At least 3 is good. If you can do 5, that's good as well. The next thing you're going to do is auto add captions to your video. This way, if somebody is not watching it with volume on, they get the most out of it. So you can upload an SRT file, but if it's a video actually of you, you can actually auto generate captions most of the time. So now this is all uploaded. All this is done. You can also choose to cross-promote to different pages in your business manager. We're not going to do this because I'm going to show you another little trick to get some organic juice on this. But once you've done this, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the preferred audience for your post. And it's always smart, by the way. And you can really typically only choose about 16 of these. So be judicious, but if people have liked other pages that are relevant to what it is you're doing, it's a smart little tool that you can use, which gives your content a much higher probability of being seen. So as soon as you kind of max this out, to your 16, whatever those 16 are, you're going to hit save. Very last thing you're going to do is you're going to add a messenger button. So when people are watching this video, no matter where you share it, no matter where you cross promote it, guess what they're encouraged to do? Message your page. It's one reason that our inbox looks the way that it does. If your inbox is at 0, this is one way that you can really change the dynamics of that. After that, you're going to hit publish. Now, what's going to happen is your video is going to be published. Okay. With your title on it, as you can see here, with your tags, and targeted to a very, very, very specific audience. Now, there's a couple more steps that I want you guys to take, and this is one reason that I say you need to reach out to other places and see who would be willing to let you promote their content, your content on their page, and vice versa, because that's going to help you get more organic juice and help your videos, your content, whatever else you're putting out on social media to be in a place where more people are going to see it. And it's really all a numbers game. So the more people that see it, the more likely you are to have a lot more success as you're posting on social media. Okay, so the last step, after your video is uploaded, next thing you're going to do is you're going to generate some auto captions. This is pretty cool. So you just click generate. Guess what this is going to do? This is going to auto-generate captions here, so all you have to do is kind of change the captions up a little bit to match what you're saying on the video. So you can actually go through the video, listen to it, and then change up the captions as needed. So we're going to let this process. And check this out. This is all auto-generated. So now all we're going to do is proofread this and make sure that it matches up with the speech in the video. There's sometimes you do have to change up this context just a little bit so that it's completely clear and that your captions are correct, but this shouldn't take you too very long if you're keeping your videos between that 5 to 10 minute mark that I talk about a lot. Okay, so it took me a few minutes, but I went in and I cleaned up every single one of the captions. So guess what? Now it's adding captions to my video for me, which is yet another way to really grab people's attention, kind of help them decide whether or not they want to watch the full video. It's statistically proven to get you guys more clicks. So that's another thing that you can do. Now, the very next thing you're going to do is you're going to start sharing this. Now, we have several different pages in our Business Manager. Okay? So we're going to like it as our Valkyrie page. And then I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go personal. I'm going to like it as myself. And that's my fan page, by the way. And then like it as another one of our pages. That's going to automatically give it a little bit of Facebook juice from the second it gets posted, and it's just smart. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to hit share. We're going to share this to a couple different pages. We're going to share this to... see, you got to do like relevant pages, right? So for us, the relevant pages will be my personal profile, I'm going to take this little snippet right here, we're going to post it. This is also going to give it a little bit more Facebook juice, which is another reason I say cross-promote, 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 because that does make a huge difference in whether or not your things get seen. So because we have a bunch of different pages that we can share this with, we can get some Facebook juice automatically. If you don't have a bunch of other pages to share it with, that's okay. That's why you talk to other people and ask if you can share it on their pages. And vice versa, let them share some of their content on yours. So partner with a lender, partner with a moving company, partner, if you're going after attorneys, partner with attorneys to, give some valuable information to people who are, might be moving or getting a divorce or something like that. And then use this strategy to help cross promote and get some Facebook juice to your business page. So now we've shared it with several other business pages. Okay, smart move. We're also going to take this puppy and we're going to share it on my timeline. Because guess what? That gives you more exposure. And the cool thing is that send message button still attached to your post. So this is what I'm saying when you're sharing different information to your personal profile from your business page. It's always smart to set up your business page correctly and make sure that you have all of this information ready to go. Now, if you wanted to even take this a step further, you can leverage this, share it on some friends' timeline. You can put it in specific groups if you think that other people will find it helpful. There's another strategy and tool I use for this that kind of automates it, so I'm not going to show you this right now. But if you're doing an event on something, this would be a great little teaser video for that event that you can share as well. So just another way that you can get people's attention. You can also send it in a private message if you think you know somebody who needs to see this video right now ASAP. So that's pretty much that for getting some Facebook juice and what to do with a video after you post it. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, please give it a like, a love, a share, something like that, and let us know that we're giving you the right content at the right time. Thanks. Have a great day.